Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You open Google Chat and jump straight into a conversation. Sign-in is assumed. Click a contact or hit New Chat to begin and start by typing a purpose-driven opener. Say what you need. Once done, use that to mention someone for attention and add an emoji to set tone. Make sure to attach files with the clip icon when relevant, because sharing context speeds responses. This gets the exchange moving and helps others prioritize their reply. You now craft the body of your message with purpose. Write a concise ask, then add supporting points. Use line breaks and bullets to make scanning simple, and include deadlines or next steps so recipients know what to do. Once done, use thread replies in rooms to keep conversations focused. It preserves history and avoids noise. Make sure to attach relevant Drive files or links for context, because people reply faster when they have everything they need right in the chat. You wrap up by summarizing decisions and assigning owners. State a clear next action and deadline so there's no ambiguity. Once sent, use reactions or read receipts to monitor engagement and set a reminder if you need a follow-up. If something goes wrong, messages not sending or people missing content, check your network and file permissions, then resend with a screenshot or link. This often resolves access issues quickly and keeps the conversation moving without confusion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.